How to activate your Milestone credit card online. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily activate your Milestone credit card. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser and then simply go to the search bar and search for Milestone credit card. Hit enter once you've searched for it, and you'll find the option right here. So just go ahead and search for it again. Now you'll see the top result right here is Milestone card. You can apply quickly and easily. All you have to do is just click on this link and it will take you to milestonegoldcard.com. This is the URL. Just make sure to load this out. Once your page is loaded, you could just go ahead and click on this Get Started option and you can apply now to activate your credit card. But if you already have your card and just want to activate it, click on My Account. And then from here, you're just going to have to log into your account. Simply enter your username and then your password. Make sure that all of your details are correct and then click on login. There on the home screen, you could find the credit card option. Just click on there and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the card. You're going to have to provide some of your details in order to activate. Just click on login and you should be good to go. So that's how you basically activate your Milestone credit card. If you want to apply for a new card, you could do this from here. Just click on apply and you can enter all of your details to apply for a new card. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.